Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Friday. Today, we're going to do a quick review of all the things we have learned during this remote learning. And then you're going to see a second link on your portfolio, and you're going to click on it. You're going to copy the words and code them so I can look at it and we can see if you guys remember everything you have learned. So let's start. Boys and girls, step one. Always, when we don't know a word, step one is always to find our vowel. I look here, I see my A. I look next to it and I see a Y. That's my vowel team. When we have a vowel team, we underline the word and we write two V's. And then we read the word, play. Let's move on to the second word. Step one, find your vowel. E is my vowel. I look next to it, I see another vowel. When there are two vowels together, that's called a vowel team. We underline it and we write two V's. I know my EA says E like in eat. So I'm going to read and see if that makes sense. B-E, bead, bead. It sounds correct. Let's move on to the next word. Step one, find your vowel. I see A is my vowel and I see I is my other vowel. When there are two vowels in a word, boys and girls, we have to make a bridge and look inside the vowel. And inside my vowels, I see two consonants. Now we notice our VCCV pattern. When we see two consonants in the middle of a word, we have to break the word in the middle of those consonants. I know because there's a consonant here at the end, my A is going to say A. I know because there's a consonant at the end here, my I is going to say I. And now I read my word, napkin. Napkin. Boys and girls, remember, when we're coding, we only code inside the vowels. We don't code on the outside. We only code inside the vowels. Let's go to our following word. Step one is to find our vowel. O is our vowel. I see E is another vowel. So when there are two vowels in a word, we make a bridge and we look inside. Here I see one consonant. So I write one C. This is my VCV pattern. When we have a VCV pattern, we can flip the vowel. It can say its name O, or it can make it sound. I'm going to chop my word right after the vowel, and I know my O is going to be open and it's going to say its name because it's open. There's no consonant next to it because I split the word, so my O will say its name. I know my E will make it sound because there's a consonant at the end. So now I read my word, hotel. Hotel. That sounds right to me. So I know I coded this word correct. Let's move on to the next word. I find my vowel and then I see an I. So there's two vowels in my word. Remember, when there are two vowels, you make a bridge and you look inside. Boys and girls, we only code inside the vowels. Don't forget that. So now I have a VCV pattern again. I know my A is going to say its name or it's going to make it sound. If I make my A say its name, it says cabin and it doesn't sound correct. So I'm going to chop my word after the consonant. Okay, because remember, VCV pattern, you flip it. You can make it say its name or you can make the vowel say its sound. So now that says cabin. Cabin. There's a consonant at the end. My A is going to make it sound. There's a consonant at the end. The I is going to make it sound. Cabin, cabin. Now, boys and girls, I see two vowels. I see E is at the end. Remember, when the E is at the end of a word, we always find our pattern. So we have to count back 3. We go 1, 2, 3, consonant LE. And that's our pattern, boys and girls. 1, 2, 3, consonant LE. My A is open. Since my A is open, it's going to say its name. And now I read the word. Table. Table. Okay, now boys and girls, click onto the next link, copy the words down, code them, read them, take a picture and upload on Class Dojo. Bye. Have a great day.